How to buy Cardano on Binance website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Cardano crypto on Binance in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Binance, as you can see right here. Now go to markets in the top, of course after you log in or register to your account, and choose markets right here, and go down. You will find all cryptos right here, and you have to search for Cardano ADA, and here is it. Now click on it, and after that it will take you to this Cardano trading page. Now you have to choose the amount of Cardano that you want to buy, and make sure this option is on buy not sell, and then click here. You will find buy now if you are registered to your account or log into your account. That's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.